Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the random forest in machine learning. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in machine learning or artificial intelligence or you want to learn about it. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that many videos can reach to you. A random forest is a popular machine learning algorithm that belongs to the supervised learning techniques. It can be used for both classification and regression problem in machine learning. It is based on the concept of ensemble learning, which is a process of combining multiple classifiers to solve a complex problem and to improve the performance of the model. Now if we talk about more in detail, basically um, random forest is a classifier that contains a number of decision trees on various subsets of the given data set and takes the average to improve the predictive accuracy of that dataset. Instead of relying on one decision tree, the random forest takes the prediction from each tree and based on the majority votes of predictions and it predicts the final output. The greater number of trees in the forest leads to higher accuracy and prevents the problem of overfitting. Since the random forest combines multiple trees to predict the class of dataset, it is possible that some decision trees may predict the correct output while others may not. But together all the trees predict the correct output. Therefore, there are few assumptions involved that there should be some actual values in the feature variable of the dataset so that the classifier can predict accurate results rather than a guessed result. The predictions from each tree must have very low correlations. Now if we talk about why random forest is important, because it takes less training time as compared to other algorithms. It predicts output with high accuracy even for the large dataset it runs efficiently. It can also maintain accuracy when a large proportion of data is missing. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.